Where is it? Sorry, what's the name?
Now we are going to the Xiangshan Lake.
Oh, okay. How was your day? Was it good?
It was busy. I have always busy Mondays.
Yeah. It's a very busy day, is it, on Mondays?
Yeah.
As we wander through halls of another day, statues stand tall, shadows follow. We take
You
our
sleep
time.
well last night?
I slept very well, thank you. Yes.
That's good to hear.
The bed is very comfortable. Thank you. You chose very well.
The location is really nice. You can see, even you pay a taxi, you can get to anywhere
Yeah.
within half of an
Yeah.
hour.
It's actually a really nice place. I was very, very happy with it. You know, I thought I was waking up in Japan this morning. It seemed.
Oh, speaking of that, I forgot to take a chair with me.
Oh, don't worry, it's okay. Where's your little girl today? Is she at school still?
Yeah, she's now in school. Xiangshan Lake Park is so close to the place you went to this morning.
Yeah.
So you can see here.
Yeah.
Here is the place you went to this morning.
Yeah.
And here is the Xiangshan Lake Park.
Ah. Not far.
Yeah, from
My bus QR code did not work. So I think it's because I don't have a mainland account, China account, bank account. And I think for certain cities, I think they like it.
If you like to do another foot massage, you can go there in tomorrow night. Tomorrow night.
Yeah.
I booked another for you.
Is it best to book?
Okay, no problem.
Is it? And I mean, do they get very busy? Is it best to book a?
It's okay if you like. I can book tomorrow night.
Yeah, that
for
would
you.
be really nice.
Tomorrow night for you.
Thank you. Are these very old built? Sorry,
But this time, do you mind go alone?
I'm okay.
Because I don't want to do so fast.
Yeah. You mean you don't want to do it too soon after the?
Yeah, too soon.
You think it would be too much
Yeah,
to?
yeah, too much.
This is really nice. Are these very old buildings, Flora?
Not very old.
I see they're copied, are they?
It's just
Yeah.
do you want to take a picture?
Yeah.
I can help you. Over the whole park
Yeah.
and the lake.
Now, does this light up at night time, this trail?
Yeah,
Yeah. I could see it from my hotel
yeah.
last night. It lights up, doesn't it?
Yeah. Like you can go here at night also.
Yeah.
In summer, people always go here for at night.
Yeah.
But today the weather is good, so I don't think it's too much sunshine.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
The lake is beautiful.
How far up does it go?
you mean the trail?
Yeah,
Takes 1 hour.
about 1 hour.
Yes, 1 hour.
Okay.
And if you don't walk too long, you can just go around
Yeah.
the trail.
Should we get an ice? Would you like an ice cream if I buy one for you?
Yellow. But in here, they since they grow up here,
Yeah.
they are always green.
I see.
Yeah.
How often do you come here?
Oh, I visit this park very often,
Yeah.
and the other park I visit every day.
Yeah.
By my house.
Yeah.
It's the other park. So there are so many parks in here.
Yeah.
要靠近路的话要怎么走呢？哈？靠近路。那是走下面好。
在家里，撑着30多步，他到骑个屁的山上。
走这边还是走这边？
你想有钱吗？
我想带他去那个有条桥，还有个棚子的吗？走这里是吧？
抄那个心，瞎抄那个心。
Oh.
David，
Yeah.
这个人在伦敦
I
的
wanted to share with you today.
Oh.
It's beautiful.
在伦敦。
Yes. Yes. 对。
And we're in a place called Kenwood, which is part of Hampstead Heath.
Yes.
And over here is Kenwood House.
Very very famous. Famous.
I talked a while ago about the beautiful
Yeah.
spring, and they also
Ah.
我有关注这个英国女士的微博，是一个博主，她老公是中国人。
以下是一些符合英国女。
帮我翻译成英语，把我说的话翻译成英语。
I follow the Weibo account of this British woman.
Ah.
She's a blogger and her husband is Chinese.
Ah. Flora, I have a question. These ones here, what are these called? Yeah, because the colour is so beautiful. What one
Yeah.
is this?
Yeah, I just have.
Because I saw these in Hong Kong as well.
Let me check it.
They're losing their colour now. Cordyline fruticosa. Ah.
Let me ask. About what are they originally like? Tropical.
Ah, yes.
Tropical and
Yeah.
subtropical region of the Pacific Island.
Yeah,
Southeast Asia.
Northern Australia. Yeah,
They are well adapted to warm and humid.
yeah, you
climate.
don't see those in Europe.
Mm.
Not even in, yeah, not even in Spain, I don't think. Oh, that's nice. It's a really nice day to come here. How long has this park been here, Flora? Has it always been here, or has it been? It's been landscaped, hasn't it? So, is it fairly new? I mean, to walk around like this, or has it been like it a while?
It's very enjoyable to just take a walk.
Yeah.
But it's the park is river.
Yeah. Yeah.
The government will build it.
Yeah, they do this in England quite a lot as well with the parks. You know, regenerating them and giving them new places to walk, and I think it's really nice. Ah.
Those trees are natural.
Yeah, they look as though they've been there a long time, don't they?
The government rebuilt this area, but they don't remove the trees.
Yeah,
Maybe remove some.
yeah.
For the lake, people can see the fish.
Yeah, yeah, look, you can.
My daughter are so fun. My daughter is so fun and feed the fish.
Yeah,
If we have cookies or biscuits, we throw into the lake and they're so crazy to taste the food.
yeah. Is this the best time of year to come to parks like this?
Yeah.
With the flowers all blossoming?
The flowers are always blossom in all year.
Yeah,
You can't see a single yellow leaf on the tree
Mm.
in a year.
Yeah.
So it's a shame that I'm not able to see the fall
yeah.
in Zhuhai. There
Ah,
are no yellow leaves.
there's no
at all.
autumn.
Autumn, yeah, we just have winter.
Yeah,
The winter is just past.
yeah,
Now it's spring and early summer.
yeah. But everything always stays green.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
green all the time. And you can see various varieties flowers
Mm.
all year.
Yeah. But you'd rather see the leaves falling, would you? Going yellow and
I have seen the fallen leaves, of course, but
Yeah.
they are not yellow.
yeah, yeah. Do you know, in England it is beautiful when the autumn comes and the leaves fall, but it only lasts a very short time. Maybe as short as maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Sometimes like maybe 2 weeks, where if you get a very hot summer, the trees will turn a golden colour and then a yellow colour, and it can last up to a month sometimes. But
Looks beautiful.
then the leaves fall and the trees are very bare. And you know, a lot of people at that time of year, because the clocks change in England, they don't change here, but the clocks change, so it means that the days get shorter, the nights get longer, Flora. And then a lot of people, you know, they look at the trees and the bareness of the world, and they end up getting a bit.
你干啥？打着往后面走，你走上來。
我見到你哋，
因為佢喺度問我啲花啊啲樹啲嘢。
你哋傾偈唔使理，
唔係啊，佢見到我係佢講啲花啊樹嗰啲嘢啊嘛。
你哋傾偈唔使理。
They end up getting a bit depressed, you know, people in England. Yeah, there's actually a condition where people actually suffer with this kind of depression at that time of year. So in a way, it's kind of nice that, you know, you don't have that change of season, because it's almost like always summer, you know.
For you, this season is similar to the summer in the
Right now, this is like the peak of summer in England. Yeah,
No wonder air conditioner.
yeah. This is like right now. Today is like one of the nicest, hottest days in England during the summer. So this would be like peak summer. I need a can you take a photo of me in front of these? These are so lovely.
Yeah, this is so nice.
Look at them. Oh, look at this girl. Married. Wedding. Don't see these in England either.
Yeah, they are special.
They are special.
Like,
真係有
Yeah, from Brazil. Brazil.
係有英文。
oh, they from South America.
Yeah.
I think so.
They are Brazilian. Wow. He's taking a picture. Look.
應該係
These obviously don't flower all year round, do they?
I don't know. Maybe it's just in spring.
Yeah, they're not spiky. They're very soft.
我個鼻都唔會唔高，但係一對比就爭好遠
係啊，佢都唔算特別
爭好遠。
佢都唔算特別
唔係尖係高啊！
有啲好尖啊嘛，好似嗰啲魚嗰啲啊。聽唔到。
Yeah.
That's pavilion. Is that pavilion?
Pavilion.
Is that one? Pavilion.
Yeah, if you like, yeah.
What do you call them?
This. It's like a little small pagoda, isn't it? It's like a little, not pagoda.
No, not at all. It's just for people to have a breakfast.
Yeah, I'm not sure what you call them.
In Chinese, they are called liangting.
Liangting.
Yeah, they are very Chinese style.
Yeah. There was quite a few of those in Hong Kong. Yeah. Let's just have a little. Yeah, it's so
It
nice.
has a lamp that for
Yeah.
all people have a for all people enjoy here.
Yeah,
The lamp, 众乐庭.
Zhongleting.
众 is people,
Yeah.
many people. 乐 is enjoy. It means that people enjoy to have fun here or have a break here.
Yeah. It's really nice, isn't it? So look, these buildings look quite new. So there's been
Rebuild.
Rebuilt.
Rebuild the building.
based on the original kind of designs that would have been here in the past.
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? They're doing that. It's like preserving the history, isn't it? They're doing that in England as well. You know, some of the things have decayed or have either been lost or.
你睇我翻嚟先，
And
呢
they-
度好晒。
My local, I can give you a really good example. My local railway station in London is being refurbished right now, and it was in a state of real it was decaying, and it had been updated over the last few decades. But now they've basically stripped it back to its original design from like 100 years ago, and they're making it into a retro style station. So they're using the original plans of the station to recreate the look of how the station would have. I'll send you some pictures when I go back, and you can see it's got like a 1930s look to it now. Yeah, so they do this in England as well. It's not just in China, where that's a beautiful shot there, where they're kind of recreating things. I think they do. Lots of countries do it, you know.
There are some swans, black swans, swimming on the lake.
Black swans.
Yeah.
Where? Over there.
Maybe we need to go further. They were many of them,
Yeah.
but today, where are they? Where they go?
But you know, as the years go by, and the weather and all the elements get to these buildings, they will look more old again, and they will look, you know, historical. So it's good that they're doing this.
But you know, in summer when we walk here, my daughter was content all the time.
Yeah, why?
She felt the so hot.
Oh, so hot.
Yeah, always and sweating a lot.
Yeah.
And she hates mosquitoes.
Yeah, I don't like those. Do you get many of those around here?
In summer, yeah.
Yeah, it's just the climate, isn't it? So that's the trail up there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Up there. And when you're on the trail and look over down, you can look the whole town
Yeah.
and the lake.
Yeah,
The lake looks like a gem, green gem.
yeah. I think this is a nice walk. I think this is better.
This is a shortcut.
Yeah. This is nice. How many times do you go up on that trail? Do you walk up there regularly?
Oh, many times.
Yeah.
I enjoy walking the park
Yeah.
and avoid the crowded. I enjoy
Yeah.
to take a walk in weekend.
Yeah.
Because at weekend there are always people. I see the people.
Yeah. Is that a toilet just
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
I think. Well, I've learned that when you see a toilet, you should use it. Bathroom. So the toilets, look, you have these little. That's the ladies. That's the men's. My friends are a bit tired. I'm sure their energy level was very high yesterday, but they've been working hard today. And there's a noticeable drop of energy. I don't want to push them too much for photos or anything like that, so I'm just going to be relaxing with them. That's rather nice. It's so nice, that toilet is so nice. The bathroom, I should say? The bathroom.
The bathroom. You don't say restroom.
Restroom. We just say toilet. Yeah.
In America,
They say restroom.
Pets are not
Yeah.
allowed using the park.
it's
Fishing,
Yeah.
paddling, smoking,
Just say
using
toilet.
fire, picking fruits, and feeding animals
Bathroom is
are
okay.
prohibited in the
Bathroom.
park.
We don't say bathroom.
Electric bikes,
We just say
bicycles,
toilet.
toilet.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the old days, it used to be. In London, you'll see some places, old places, that will have WC. The WC, which means water closet.
I see. Thank you. for
Water
letting me
closet.
know.
And that's a very old English term. So sometimes if you see a toilet, a very old toilet in London, you'll see WC.
Oh, that's why when I was young, I learned English with the WC.
Yeah.
And then later, American English was so popular, so we don't say WC.
No, we don't say WC anymore. If you said it in England now, they wouldn't know what you were talking about. Yeah. There's a whole lot of slang for toilet in English. A very popular one used to be bog.
In this
B-O-G,
area,
bog.
there were so many flowers, but they just plant the new one.
Yeah. Do you have one of those little hats?
No, they are for the workers.
I see, but they used to be very traditional hats, didn't they, in the old days? For like
In Qing Dynasty.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this is like a part of the uniform that they've designed it for, you know, like a throwback, like a retro look, isn't it?
Oh yeah, you're
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
It's the custom.
Yeah.
Qing Dynasty, the official.
Yeah.
Wear, and most for the official.
Yeah.
Official.
Yeah.
Official wear the hat like this, and it looks. It looks.
Is it ever become? Is it ever?
Triangle shape.
Yeah. Is it ever been a fashion thing that you wear here, people, ladies?
No. They are the black swans. Black swans. This is not black swan.
These are geese, aren't they?
They are goose.
Yeah. Unusual. But then we have these in England, but not that colour. But they get very vicious because people feed them, and then when they don't get food now, they chase after people. So yeah,
I
we
think they are black swans.
black swans. Oh, they are swans. Yeah.
嗱，依家冇嘢食，收犀利啊！睇到未？
衰嘢，你睇下食花啲冇似想
食草啊！
I'm not allowed to feed them.
踩嗰啲花仔，俾人踩爛。
喂，做咩踩上去㗎？
Because people feed them a lot and they
Yeah.
die. They get sick and die.
Yeah. You have to be careful what you feed them on.
爛晒啲花啦！
It's like horses as well.
No,
Horses.
no.
No, it's like horses. If you feed horses with certain foods,
Yeah.
their tummies can swell up.
Yeah.
They have horses down where Meishi Archway is. They have stables there. Did you know that?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, I'll show you. Let me show you a picture.
他说我跟他说这里不给喂这些，他们会撑死的。然后他跟我说跟英国的那个马很像，马也不能乱喂的，也会撑死
Here.
的。
So you have
他说在英国那里也有这些马，他们不能乱喂，喂也会撑死的。
here this morning.
What is he doing？
拉屎。
他拉屎也要翘起一只脚的吗？哦。
What's he doing? Oh, I see. I didn't notice.
Would you like to take a photo here?
I'm all right, thank you. Yeah. That's very nice. Look at this. Bananas. So I have a question, Flora. So local people, when these are fully grown bananas, do local people take them?
No,
No?
no, because bananas are so cheap here. nobody would pick the green banana.
Yeah.
The taste the bitter.
Yeah. Even when they're more grown, you know, when they're ready to
they
pick.
taste bitter when they are green.
Yeah.
You know they need to turn yellow
Yeah.
to taste the good.
Yeah.
And also banana is very cheap. No
Yeah.
one would
You know, in England, people would take them, I think. Yeah, you would. You'd get people climbing up there and taking them. Not now, but when they're more grown, I think. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, sure.
唔該幫佢拿，你確定嗎？好重嗎？啊，係咯。
It's like walking in the jungle, isn't it? See, this is to you everyday life. This is so exciting for me.
Yeah.
No, you serious? You asked me if we get these growing in London.
I'm glad that you enjoy them.
I'm touching it.
沒試過，你冇有聽過樹？
No, it is exciting. I'm not joking either. For me, this is like, you know, in London we do have, we have the tropical garden that called Kew Gardens, where you can get, where they have a very large place where Victorian, so it's over 100 years old, and they built it. It's like a garden centre, but it's all, you can't buy the plants. They're representative of you know, each country of the world, but they need a hot place. So I have seen this in London, but not outside. It's not the same as here. This is the real thing. You know, it's a very controlled environment in London, you know, and here as well.
You know, the park, I go there every day. They even have the jackfruit and lychee. Oh, in this park there are so many lychee trees and the dragon eye trees. In summertime,
Yeah.
there are so many fruits in the tree,
Yeah.
the trees, and they are really tasty, sweet and tasty.
Yeah,
But nobody pick the fruits.
yeah.
Because
Nobody
they are-
picks them.
Because it's too high.
I see.
Are there grow chrysanthemum?
Yeah, we have these. These are very typical. This is like England, yeah. And these are roses, aren't they?
Yeah.
So this is very English.
But they are very small. Not those bigger ones.
Yeah.
In the England.
Yeah,
But you can see them in Yunnan.
yeah. In Yunnan, you can see
Yunnan.
roses.
Wow, Yunnan, you can see so many varieties of flowers in Yunnan.
So the British must have brought them over when they came over to China, maybe. Roses, because they don't grow here, do they? Usually, it's not a native to China.
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I don't know.
Need to check. But this is so different, isn't it? For me, I mean, we get this sort of these sort of small trees here, but the banana trees. This is. It shows you're in a tropical area. It's fascinating. We've got another one of these. This is unusual. Never see this in England.
Those flowers are special too. They might originate from the other countries.
Yeah. You do not see this in England. Yeah, this is another Brazilian one.
Can you see the flowers on the tree?
Oh yeah.
They are papaya.
Yeah. My God. So these have got no leaves on. Does this flower? Oh, it's flowering. You can see. These are buds. Look. So it goes green in the summer.
Yeah. Wow, this tree looks so special, even without any leaf. But they have fruit. That's so unique.
Yeah.
I haven't seen those before. Well, let me take a shot.
That's weird, isn't it?
From South America.
Yeah.
The government they imported many trees from South America.
Like beans.
Yeah, but they're not.
See, this happens in England as well, but we don't have the weather to do it. It happens in France. When I go back to London next Wednesday, I go back. I'm here for another 9 days. The week after that, I go to France for a few days, and the place where I'm staying is like a little resort, and they have an area where people can do camping. So they have these places in Europe as well. But again, the weather, it depends on the weather. You can't do it all year round.
Oh, you mean in England, the weather is not so good to do camping?
Yeah, I mean, some people will do it in any weather, for the experience. But
in
it's
summer, it's not hot. People can choose to do camping in summertime.
people
Right.
do it all year round in England. But
I see.
some of them are just, they want to experience life in the wild.
Those camping cars just for showcase.
I see. So this is a campsite just here.
This is for showcase, and they have the QR code for scan, and the people can book their tent here. They have the other side over there.
Yeah. And this is the trail up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could see it from my hotel last night. It lights up, doesn't it, all the way round?
Yeah.
So the camp is down here. I'm not sure where you want to.
Camping site.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the end of the park.
This is the end here.
Yeah, the end of the park.
So the camping where they put the tents up, is that down there?
I'm not sure. The keeper they will show you where to set the tent.
I see.
But I'm not I'm not willing to camping here.
No. My goodness. I'm sure it's a nice experience for people. Gets them out of the city, doesn't it? It gets them out away from the city life,
Oh yeah.
From the,
yeah.
I can see the appeal of it.
People just go to parks for relaxing.
Yeah. So it's at the end of the trail up there.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. The end.
And then you just follow it back round. So at night time, that whole thing lights up, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I wondered what it was from my hotel. I thought, what is that? I thought it was a road.
Yeah, if it's the train.
Hmm. That's really nice, Flora. So peaceful as well, isn't it?
Yeah. But when you are going on the beach, there are always people there, especially on the beach where we went to yesterday.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
always can find somewhere that beach to go to avoid the crowded because the beach is so long.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that. There's the black swan swimming over there.
Bodies.
尊敬的市民游客，为了您的安全，请勿靠近湖边，切勿戏水，注意安全。公园内禁止垂钓，谢谢您的配合。
Oh, look at their little bodies. Wow. So these are here all the time, these black swans.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes they have baby.
Yeah.
So cute.
Funny, isn't it? The black swans stay together. They don't mix. Do they mix with the white swans, or do they all stick together?
I haven't seen white swan here.
Oh. Are they swans as well?
Yeah, yeah.
Little babies, aren't they?
I don't know.
They're young ones.
I don't know. They are vegetarian animals. They can't eat meat. Somehow the water was gone.
I see. So there used to be water here,
Yeah, water
and you used to be able to hop across.
Yeah. The kids hop on the hop to cross.
I see. Oh, look at that.
所以啲水唔見咗嘅，之前仲要細路仔喺呢度跳過嚟㗎嘛。哦，那也可以放水的呀，这个那个什么。我淨係知道一棵樹好似有啲要過100萬。家有羅漢松洗一世。係喎，咁種棵100萬嘅樹喺屋企點都唔會停啦，係嘛？
I'll just take a photo here. Let's just grab this picture. That's nice. See the trail.
啊，那餐厅啊，吃饭的排队排的要不，
是吗？
排了一个多小时。
The plant
Yeah.
that they have grew underground, under the dirt.
So peaceful here.
They are edible. Oh, they are tallow.
They're what? Taro.
Tallow.
I see. Look at that. Sunlight is beautiful. That's a beautiful picture. Wow. They've done a nice job at creating this area. I think it's really beautiful.
Government, they made a
然后就吃到八分饱。
project
Yeah.
to redesign
Yeah.
design the park.
It looks great. Everything looks healthy, doesn't it?
They keep the other side.
Yeah. Wonderful. I'm so happy to be here. It's so nice.
Really?
I am.
I was wondering if here is too quiet for you.
Oh, I needed a bit of quietness. I like this kind of environment. Look at those flowers as well, the colour. Wow. I've said that a lot on this trip. But why not?
They are foam plants.
Ferns
Foams.
existed during the age of the dinosaurs, and they actually appeared much earlier than the dinosaurs. So fern plants originated around the late Silurian period, about 400 million years ago. Oh my God.
Those are foam plants.
So this is one of the original plants on Earth.
Are there plants in
No, we never ever see these. No.
When the dinosaurs appear, foam plants had already been thriving on the
Oh,
earth.
yeah, ferns.
Foams.
Ferns. We do get ferns, but I'm not sure if we get this variety. Maybe we do. Yeah, we do get ferns, but Maybe. I can't recall seeing this one. But we do get ferns, so I guess a different
In
variety.
some botanic park,
Yeah,
there are varieties of ferns plants.
yeah.
I have been to the botanic park in Guangzhou.
Yeah,
Wow, the ferns, they look so huge.
yeah. It's the climate here. It's some of them like the warmer weather, some of them don't. Or should I say, some of them are capable of living in colder conditions. I think they're the kind of ferns that we have in England. I was never a fan of that plant. I'm not sure why. I like the more sort of tropical sort of plants. Yeah, and I'm just having a quick look. It's the overview. You've got these lovely coloured stones. Look at that.
进入林道，请提前扫护理码，并截图保存。
They are lovely.
在安检口区出
They
示
are.
查
Are
验，
these coloured by
禁止携带货
design?
源入
Yeah,
场。
yeah.
老人、孕妇、行动不便。
What kind of flowers are they?
Let me
Very
check and
strange
tell you.
little ones, aren't they?
Okay, now we have the tour to scan, and then they tell you what is it. 台湾相思啊. Oh, they are imported from Taiwan.
Taiwan.
And they have the special name. 台湾相思的英语是什么？